你把那个管上的那个保养计划发给我，865。
不真的哎，成功发了吗？是。
Okay, so one screw.
Okay. This is screw and that screw. This one. This screw and this screw, and this is the heating wire. It's heating wire. And this is the makeup paper. The makeup paper is a unit. See the boys. So also makeup paper. So makeup paper, heating wire, and makeup paper. And the screw and the connector, the terminal is for the heating wire. Okay. And makeup paper is for the insulation and high temperature resistance. Okay. And now we have to get this back, the makeup paper back. And before that, we should just get this tight. How to make this tight, right? And also this tight. Yeah. Okay. And after.
What is this? The white color?
White color? Oh, ceramic. Okay.
Ceramic?
Yeah. And this one is also makeup paper. Okay. And this is the temperature sensor. Okay.
Why we need to replace this?
Sometimes, for many years, the heating elements is not working again.
How do we know the heating element is not working?
The temperature not goes up. Temperature not goes up. Sorry. And sometimes no temperature, and the temperature is not broken, but this is not heating. And maybe an open circuit, or sometimes yeah. So that's why we need to replace that. Okay, now we're going to. it's got good.